Hello, Essential Skills students. I am doing a video screencast of my desktop just to help you along with the Module 6 content. So, the first item to do is to take the quick survey of the professional writing, and that you just click on a SurveyMonkey link. That should be quick and easy. All of you should have completed that by now. So, the second item that I am discussing with you is your writing sample versus your Storybird sample. So everyone wrote a paragraph when they applied to the program, and the paragraph was requesting you to indicate why you wanted to become part of a professional healthcare team. And I de-identified all of your names, so no one knows who student 1 through 12 are. But here are the sentences that everyone wrote in the paragraph. And one of the things that I'm trying to get across with the Storybird sample is that a paragraph should have a beginning, a middle, and an end. And you should have a good concept of what the person is talking about when they're finished. So the initial sentence should be the main idea of the paragraph. You are essentially introducing why you were writing this paragraph. You give about 4, 5, 6 supporting sentences, and then the final sentence should be wrapping the paragraph up. And that's basically what we're looking for here. So what the Storybird sample, what I want you to do in your Storybird assignment is to utilize the Storybird pictures to tell your story. And so I gave an example here. And this is the Storybird I created, and these are the pictures that I used. And I gave a sentence for each picture. And so what I want to see is you telling a story, essentially. So, and that Storybird is a writing tool, and it's a fun writing tool, and it can be used from any student that is in probably about 3rd grade up. And I used Storybird for my master's program. This was an assignment that we were given, and you know, very much like video games, very much like technology, as an adult you enjoy the same things that you enjoy and find entertaining when you're a kid. So a lot of technology now is pretty much geared toward everybody. So the Storybird assignment, I want you to go ahead and complete that. Now you do have to sign up for a 7-day free trial. And in doing that, either screenshot your completed assignment to me, just like I did with the Storybird sample, or send me your login and password for your 7-day free trial, and then I'll go in and look at it and grade it. So that should be pretty self-explanatory up until then. Okay, create your own Google Workspace. Alrighty, so I'm going to show you how to do that from my Google Workspace. I recommend that everybody create a Gmail email account because that allows you direct access to your Google Workspace. So I'm going to show you right up here these dots up here that you can click on. I'm going to move, there we go. So these dots right there that you can click on give you access to Google Apps, and then Google Drive will be your access to all of the things that are Google. So I'm going to move myself over here again. And so you can click on New, and you have your option of a Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides. So what Google has done is they have documents that you can create that mirror Microsoft Office. So Google Docs, if you create a Google document, here we'll just do that. I'll click on Create a Google document. It's essentially set up like Microsoft Word, and what you can do is you can file and download it as a Microsoft Word document. And that way you can manipulate it on your desktop, or you can just keep it here. And one of the recommendations that I have for you is to now utilize your Google Workspace, and you don't have to carry around a jump drive. When you log into your Gmail account, you can go to your Google Drive and you can access that from any desktop anywhere you are. And that way you don't have to carry around a jump drive when you are doing your assignments. Okay, so this sample Google document. And you can name it anything that you want. but this is a sample that I'm going to do for you guys. And so on this document, you're going to do your journal response. And here we go. Back to, okay, here we are. So when I say create your own Google Workspace, I want you to be able to do that and have access to all these great things. So I'm going to show you some of the things that I've done in my Google Workspace. So you can do a bunch of slides, very much like PowerPoints. And so I create some of my Google Slides in here that I upload for you guys. Okay. You also, here's a spreadsheet that I have. And I also have created some Google Sites, which are really fun. So you can create an entire website under Google Sites. And so I created one that mirrors the Essential Skills class, just to show my master's colleagues what some of our assignments look like. So this is a web page, and I gave samples of our modules and what they typically look like. So this is a whole website that you can create for free as well. And I have a couple of presentations here, and they are very colorful and look just like PowerPoint. And if you need to download them, you can download them as a PowerPoint, but you can also just keep them here and access them at any time that you want. So what I want you to do is to start using your Google Drive. And the assignment that I gave everyone is, after you have your Google Hangout meeting, the journal that I emailed you, which is one of the papers that I wrote, I want you to write 2 paragraphs. The first paragraph is summarizing the journal, what it means, like what the point of the paper was. In the second paragraph, I want you to write how that is applicable to your life as a technician. And so when you go into your Google Drive and create a new document like I just did, and then I would like for you to write the 2 paragraphs. And after you finish writing the 2 paragraphs, you can click on share over here. And so, and you can also click shareable link and then copy link. So what I can do here at this point is I can go back to our Module 6, click on Google Doc link, create a thread, and Rachel sample link. And then I will go down here and paste the link. And just to make sure it works, I'm going to link the path. There we go. Click insert, Google link. And here I'll know that that is now a hyperlink, and you guys can just click on it. So I'm going to click submit. And then at that point, we can go in to what I posted, click on that link, and it will take you to the Google document that I created here. So some of you were a little confused as to how to do this, so I just wanted to show you step by step how to do this. And then at this point, you, after you post your assignment here, other students can go in and give you feedback on your writing. Now, I wanted to do this because this is how we're going to do projects in the future, and I just wanted to make sure you have all these skills down. Alrighty, so I'm going to go back to our assignments. essential skills class is 795985. There we go. So we're back at Module 6. And I hope that it gives you a bit of an explanation on how to complete the rest of these assignments. So after you complete your journal assignment, I want you to do a quick reflection. I just want to know if this helped you get a good understanding of what the expectation is with your writing. And so just give me a little bit of a blurb, tell me what you liked, what you didn't like, did you like Storybird, that sort of thing. And the last thing that I have for you to do is complete your closing questionnaire, which is very similar to the opening one. And then you're all finished. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I just wanted to do this quick video so everyone gets a better understanding of how to navigate through these assignments.